Hi, this is a quick tip. It's not really a tip actually, it's kind of some recommendations. For years I've been just normally using Photoshop without any kind of additional extensions or anything, and I was watching a tutorial and I noticed this little box appearing, which is something I've always wanted to have and never knew where to get hold of it, and I did some research and I found this little plugin which is really useful. Anyway, normally when you're using a brush, let's just close that so you can understand a bit better. Normally when you're using a brush, it's this little panel here. You've got all your little brushes, depending on what you have. Okay, or you can have your brush, that one. Okay, and you can select whichever brush you want. Now, you know, while I'm painting away, doing whatever I want to do, it's very frustrating to keep going up here, picking a new brush, or picking another brush from here or whatever. Okay, I just found that really kind of time consuming and annoying, and I wanted to find some other way of doing it. And I know you can do it that way as well. Okay, but then again, you know, it's very hard to control this because you have to go like this, you have to find the thing and all this kind of stuff, and I didn't really want to do that. It's just so time consuming for me. I just want to carry on painting, click a new brush, carry on painting. And so I found this little extension. It's called Brushbox. It basically has a little thing there which you can open and close. You can have it over here, so I have it floating because I want to have the panel open all the time. Now what this does is it allows you to create a set of different brushes the way you want it, or it can allow you to load presets in as well. Okay, for instance, this is my standard brush that I use all the time when I'm painting, for instance. And if I wanted to quickly jump to another brush, because I'm doing a portrait and I wanted to do some skin tone, I can do this one, which is another one of my favourite brushes. Okay, and if I want to do some sketching, which I tend to do a lot of, I can just jump to a sketching brush like this, and I can do some drawing. Okay, I don't need to keep opening and closing panels, they're all just there. I can just click on whichever one I want. And as I said to you before, because you're able to do these presets, you can open and close whichever one you feel like you want to use and find the brush you need quite quickly. So you can just keep drawing. Yeah, whatever you need to do, you can find it quickly just by clicking open. I use lots of paintable brushes and a lot of Carl brushes, so you can imagine that they get a lot of use. Okay, so like for instance like that. So you know, this is one of those tools that I can just definitely recommend as a time saver. Okay, so I just wanted to show you. Okay, I hope you also agree. Oh, it's, by the way, it's not free. It's you have to pay for it, but it's well worth the money. I don't know how much it costs, but it's like $10–20 maximum, I think it is. Okay, so consider buying it if you're really into digital painting and you need quick access to your brushes.